Now, far from settling the issue, the government's ordinance has reignited the debate on the anti-rape laws. Women activist groups have accused the government of only partially accepting the recommendations of Justice Verma committee, while the opposition parties like the BJD are calling it an eyewash.
On a day when the cabinet cleared the ordinance to make the laws on crimes against women tougher, not many convinced that the government's latest effort will have the desired effect.
The real crux of the issue is implementation, and I believe that although there are many things that can be done on implementation, the single biggest thing is fast-track courts dedicated to crimes against women and to criminal cases against politicians. And unless they do this, I would agree that it is going to be an eyewash.
The opposition also accusing the government of double standards, saying its words and actions don't match.
After that ghastly gang rape and deaths in Delhi, the government quickly, very hastily announced 5 fast-track courts in Delhi only for crimes against women. But central government has been withdrawing funding for it, and these numbers of courts have gone down. So I would hope that the Prime Minister, if he's really serious, I would expect him to dedicate more resources to fast-track courts for these 2 subjects.
The skepticism in sharp contrast to the optimism being expressed within the government, which claims it has done a balancing act between public outcry and Justice Verma Committee's recommendations.
हमने तकरीबन सारी मान लिए हैं. स्टॉकिंग हमने ऐड कर लिया, एसिड अटैक ऐड कर लिया, रेप विक्टिम्स का किस तरह से स्ट्रिंजेंट पनिशमेंट है.
But the government will have to work overtime to build consensus.
It is undemocratic, in fact, to bring an ordinance like this. And the content of the ordinance is doing injustice to the Justice Verma recommendations.
All these things in much detail should have been debated in the Parliament, and Parliament would have amended the laws, which of course is the need of the hour.
This is an absolute mockery of what? This is basically their old criminal law amendment bill to which all the women's movement groups have been opposing. So right from day one. So this is just the same bill with a few extra, window dressings.
As the opposition mounted, the government caught in a bind, saying the door for tweaking the laws is still open.
We should recognize the demand for urgency that a lot of young people have also wanted. Does not mean that widespread consultations cannot take place when the actual bill is brought into Parliament. But the content will not be a content that we do not have the maximum consensus on by the time we actually get into Parliament to pass the bill that will replace the ordinance.
Even as the fast-track court in Delhi framed charges against the perpetrators of the ghastly crime, which set off the nationwide debate, many voices being raised over the ordinance, making it clear that the framing of tougher rape laws is still a work in progress. Bureau Report, Times Now.